Hello and welcome once again to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you are always doing well. And today's recipe is eggplant prepared in a simple way. Anyone interested in this recipe should follow with me from the beginning until the end. I have here 2 eggplants that I washed, and as you can see they still have water on them. I am going to cut them into 3 pieces like this. This is the method, and that's why I left the video like this so you can clearly see it. After cutting them like this, I will now continue the same process. I'll keep using the same method until I finish all the eggplant I have here. I am going to take a bowl and add 4 eggs into it. I am going to mix them well until everything is fully combined. Now I am going to pour the eggs over the eggplant. Then I am going to mix everything together very well. I am going to cover it while I prepare the onion and garlic. I'll prepare the ingredients that we are going to cook with the eggplant. I have here 2 garlic cloves and half of a large onion. If your onion is medium-sized, just use 1 medium onion. Now I am going to slice the garlic into thin pieces. Try to cut the garlic instead of grating it so the flavor stays stronger. This makes the taste stand out better with the eggplant. Now I am going to cut the onion into small cubes. I'll continue until everything is fully prepared. I also have a bunch of parsley that I am going to chop. I am only showing you the exact quantities of everything. Now that everything is ready, we can start cooking the eggplant. Leave the eggplant covered in the eggs for about 15 minutes. This gives you enough time to finish preparing the rest of the ingredients. Now let us move on to cooking the eggplant step by step. I am stirring it again before starting the cooking process. It is important to mix it well so the eggs coat all the eggplant pieces. I heated a frying pan and added about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now I am adding the eggplant to the pan. The heat should be medium, not too low and not too high. After lightly sautéing the eggplant, I am adding the onion. Then I'll let the eggplant brown nicely. Once the eggplant is cooked and reaches this color, I'll add the garlic. This is the garlic that we sliced earlier. I am stirring it now, and the smell coming out is absolutely amazing. The aroma reminds me of seasoned liver cooking in the pan. Now add the parsley. Add half a spoon of black pepper. Add salt according to your taste. Now I am mixing everything together well. Leave it for 1 or 2 more minutes before turning off the heat. This helps the parsley, garlic, and spices blend into the eggplant. Everything will absorb nicely into the mixture. Now I am turning off the heat and moving to the serving plate. This is the final result of the eggplant with onion and eggs. It turns out beautifully, and I decorated it with a little parsley. You can always keep some parsley for garnish if you like. I also added a small spoon of lightly toasted sesame seeds on top. I hope you enjoy today's recipe and prepare it at home. Enjoy it and see you again in the next video.